Welcome back to another exciting episode of Mini Max 1030R build. We are letting the glue dry on this engine deck right here. Went together nicely, got 2 extra blocks in here so I can accommodate some different motors. I have the upper and lower plywood already cut. It's a little big. I'll let my edger clean that up, but it's ready to glue. As soon as this dries up here, 3, 4, 5 hours, I'll cut it loose and sand it flush. It's pretty flush now, but get it nice and flush for the plywood. Meanwhile, we're moving on to the rear spar carry-through bulkhead, Station 4. 22 by 19.5. And it gets a little piece of RS9 at the bottom at 9 degrees. Says cut that on your table saw. Well, I don't have a table saw. I did, and I got rid of it about 6 months ago, thinking I wouldn't need it. Here's a piece of RS9 right here. Looks about the right length. There's 22 or not. Looks like pretty close though. Anyway, we'll work on getting that piece straight and keep moving forward. All right, and it is long enough. Instead of 9 degrees, I'm going to cut this on the bandsaw. I'm going to get this angle off of this. This bulkhead I'm getting ready to build. Station 4. And I have Station 4 right here drawn on top of my sheet. I just got to get that angle there off of it. Alright. So, if I take this much off this side and bring it down to nothing here, I will have this angle. Which will make this front. It's easy to get turned around doing this stuff. Yep, that's the front. This is the top. That's right over there. Alright, so try a square out here. And I'm going a little bit out of order. I still got to cut this plywood, and it gets a couple holes in it. It gets a long hole and a it's only a 1-inch radius. All right. Need a eraser. I don't know if I got a compass with a pencil in it or not. I don't think so. Alright. Hold down. This next one's 5 inches over, 7 inches in. the same other side, but I guess it is. Alright, 7 inches down. Two-inch radius this time. Talking diameter a minute ago, now we're talking radius this time. And this is a 2-inch right here, so I'll just come right off that. Alright, and here we go. We go from there to here. From here. Okay. Connect the dots. One. Oh, there's a little scratch over here. That's here. That's here. Better. I got a size to put on that rope. So I'm going to open fold. That's use this side. Oh. Right. You're gonna see it, but you're something. Okay, the sponge is alright, but that beats the hand, that round stuff. So it's done away. Alright. We'll make this the front. I can put this piece of wood on here. Alright. Good, perfecto. Alright, so I have to cut an angle on this board here, just like that. Chop off that corner a little bit. That gets glued to the bottom of this. Then I got a little substructure right here to build. Right there. Which glues to the back, and this is where you hook the spar, the wing spars into right here. Is exploded view over here. So I will, and then when the glue dries, we'll get that engine deck going. Kind of getting some multiple things going on here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back in the next segment. Take care.